One day, Thomas was talking to the Funlings about Santa. Again.
Tell us about Santa again.
Again? Oh, very well. He gives all good children presents at Christmas. And what does he give the naughty children?
Coal!
Haha, yes. Very good, Funlings. And have you been good?
We think so.
But someone who had definitely been naughty was nearby, listening to Thomas. Tom Moss. He was now really worried. He was going to get coal for Christmas and not presents. He decided that he was going to do something that he's never done before, and be nice. But he'd done a lot of naughty things that year, so he'd have to be very nice today. First of all, he knew that James had to deliver a lot of cargo to Chatsworth Station. So Tom thought that he'd give James a helping hand. Later, when James arrived to take the cargoes, he had a bit of a shock.
Oh no! Where's all my cargo gone?
He couldn't understand where they had gone. In the end, James decided to go to the station to tell them that he'd lost their cargo. But
What? The cargo's already here? Oh, thank you, whoever did this.
Tom knew that he'd have to do a lot more nice things to get any presents though. Nearby, Marshall and Chase were out enjoying the snow. But they were freezing. Oh, I knew we should have worn our snow gear. Yes, we really need to go somewhere warm. I'm freezing here. But there were no buildings anywhere near them. Okay, we need some wood to start a fire. But again, there was nothing near them. Until... Huh? Oh, firewood! Where did that come from? But they didn't look quick enough to see who had given it to them. So they started a small fire. And soon, both Marshall and Chase were very warm. But Tom still knew that he had to do something else nice. But not too far away, McQueen was enjoying racing in the snow. But... Oh no! I've run out of fuel! Help! Help! But no one could hear him. Oh no, I'm stuck in the middle of nowhere. But luckily... Huh? Oh, fuel! Where did that come from? So McQueen quickly fueled up, and when he looked to see who had brought him the fuel, no one was there. Oh well, thanks whoever did that. Tom was now confident that he'd get presents now. But then he heard... Ho ho ho! Tom couldn't believe it. It was Santa. Hello, Tom. I see you've been very useful today. Tom was speechless. But Tom, to be on the nice list, you can't be helpful for only a day or even a week. It's about being nice all year round. But I see that you really made an effort today, and if you promise me that you'll be nice, you can have some presents. Tom agreed, so Santa gave him some gifts. Now, don't forget to be nice, Tom. So Tom had agreed to be nice. But do you think that he'll be able to stay nice? I guess we'll find out soon. Hi, I'm Dave and thanks for watching my video. Please check out these other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.